second of essence of merit is taqwa. Because basically the merit is similar with other worship to Allah. Merit is worship to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Same with other worship like salat, zakat, saum, and other worship. So for the merit itself, basically similar with the other worship. The end of the day, the result and the purpose of the merit itself should be transformed. We as a believer become muttaqin, become the people that continue obey to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So if we see the salah, for example, salah for taqwa, zakat for taqwa, sedekah for taqwa. If we are fasting in Ramadan, the end of the day, la'allakum tattaqun, we should become muttaqin. And also umrah and haji, fatawazzadu fa inna khairaz zadi taqwa. So we need to make sure the all worship will be transformed, us as believer become muttaqin. So once we are getting married, once we are having the merit, once we are already done for the merit, so we need to consider we are ready to transform. We as a believer become muttaqin. Who is muttaqin itself? Who is muttaqin? Muttaqin is the people they continue istiqomah, obey to Allah command, and also they live the Allah prohibition. That's the muttaqin.